On Saturday, January 6, 2024, our Redbird High School was hosting a basketball tournament. It's an all-A tournament that we were hosting with multiple schools here. Earlier that morning, we discovered that the phone lines had been cut near the school, and that resulted in no landline or internet service. Plus, we don't have cell phone service here. In 2023, SOAR partnered with the Kentucky Department for Public Health and with SpaceX and provided 30 homes in the Redbird area with the service. One of the Starlink dishes happened to be placed here at the Redbird Mission campus.
Where we have a Civil Arbitral Squadron here, we set up a communication system for it. It's for emergencies in the community and to communicate with other civil arbitral.
Without having our internet and phone service here, it was important for us to have a connection just in case there was an emergency situation that had taken place. So we do have a backup plan if we do lose the internet or phone services here at the school. We can set up communications between the school and the annex in case of emergencies.
I was at the cafe and Mr. Lundy called on the radio and said, "We have a medical emergency. A lady had a possible heart attack."
A lady that is here as an EMT for the tournament, she assisted the lady. The lady was actually in the gymnasium here, and as the EMT was examining the patient, passed that information to me. I was passing it on, and then that's when things kind of escalated, and she requested the helicopter, to which the helicopter was denied because of weather.
So I moved to the annex and got on the base station where I could hear better, and I made the phone call on a Starlink system to dispatch. We got the ambulance rolling. You know, it would have been probably 15-20 minutes to where we could have got to a point on Rocco Mountain to make a phone call there. You have to go all the way to the top of the mountain there to use your cell phone.
And so when the EMTs, got here, assessed the patient, they immediately took her straight to the hospital, of course, to which later I had messaged the daughter to check on her, and she said that she had actually had the heart attack, and that, without the care that, it could have been a different situation that had taken place there. So without the Starlink connection, we would have been in a tough situation there.
We got a lot going on here at the mission that helps a lot of people, and we're here to serve. And hopefully we can pass that on to the next generation.
I feel like I played a minor role in it, but certainly thankful that the lady was able to receive the help that she did, and that God provided a way for that. Once again, through the Starlink connection, if we wouldn't have had that, once again, it would have been a tragic ending.
The partnership with SOAR and the Kentucky Department of Public Health has been life-changing and life-saving for our school, our mission, and our community.